Hello, everyone. Happy Tuesday afternoon. I hope you've been having a great day. And I hope that all of your classes are going well. I hope that your work is going well. I hope that your home life and your families, I hope everything is going well. So, nothing but good vibes. I want to talk to you for just a minute about groups. Groups are a fact of life. It's also a fact of life that some people are not going to respond, they're not going to contribute, they're not going to email you back, they're not going to care about what you're doing because they think it's not important, or I don't know, they just don't want to do it, whatever the reason might be. My message to you is, if you are one of those people who always does the work, keep doing the work, because you are learning from the work. And the learning is what you take away. And some of you are professionals already. You know what it's like in the real world. In the real world, there are some people, just they don't do what they need to do. They find an excuse. It's not so important to them, or maybe they just think they can get away with it. And they can for a while. But then it starts to catch up with you. If you or myself, if we don't do the work, we're not going to get the payoff. And the payoff is being able to do more and to do it better. So all of this is a learning experience. So if you hate groups, let's try to go into this with a positive attitude, because something awesome could happen if you give it a chance. I feel that there's value to it, or I wouldn't have groups. But I've seen the beauty of groups. I've worked in many wonderful groups, and I hope that for you too. And I'm already seeing some great work. I've already commented on some goals that are already out there. And by the way, the quicker you get things out there, the sooner I'm going to respond to it, because I'm responding to your group notes. And I won't be able to, I don't know, respond to everything, but I'll try to respond, to as much as I can, especially, if you get some good stuff out there for me. Or if you want to contact me, you can always email me. We can set up a Zoom meeting, or we can talk by phone. We can do whatever you would like. So it's all about community. It's all about helping each other. And, yeah, we're getting something out of it, but we're also giving. We're giving and getting and giving and getting. So let's give and let's get. I don't know, I'm a cheese ball, I guess, but let's work together. Take care and have a wonderful afternoon.